What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.219. We're down almost 4% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 1.51 billion. 24-hour volume, 279 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we broke out of this rounding bottom cup and handle pattern. Didn't quite meet the technical target and we rolled over. We've come back down to this very strong support zone in between about 22 cents and 20 cents. Let me drop in a little price tag. Now I do think it's absolutely crucial for this support zone to hold for Gala, and I'm going to show you why here on the daily in a minute. We do have a bullish divergence. We created a lower low, higher low on the RSI, as well as on the money flow. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see lower low, higher low. So we have a bullish divergence on the 1 hour as well. We've had two entries with our break even sitting at 24 cents. So if we do push all the way back up to 25.7, we will look to take profits here for a nice little trade opportunity of about 7%. So I want to quickly pop over to the daily. So you can see here we had a bit of a fake out. We broke out of this massive symmetrical triangle. It was looking good. We got back above the EMAs and we faked out. We rolled over. We lost the EMAs. And we've come back down to retest this previous line of resistance as support. So I do think it's absolutely crucial that this holds, because if it breaks, we start to break below 20 cents, then we would be in a technical target to the downside from this symmetrical triangle if we measure the body. And that could take you all the way back down to about 11.8, about 12 cents. So do keep an eye on that. If we lose 20 cents, it could be quite negative. We also have a descending triangle. If we drop in this level of resistance, we drop in this level of support right here. You can see we have a descending triangle and we're getting closer to the apex. You can see we came down, we hit resistance, support. So if we bounce up, we hit resistance about 25 cents. We get rejected and we roll out of this pattern. Well, you would measure the body, take it to your point of breakout. I know these are a lot of trend lines here. And that could take you all the way back down to about 14 cents. It is a bearish pattern, but of course there is the chance, the smaller chance of it breaking out to the upside. And that could take you all the way up, depending on the point of breakout, to about 38 cents, where we do have some major resistance. So just keep a close eye on this descending triangle pattern. If we do start to fall out and lose 20 cents, I do think that would be quite negative for Gala, and we could see that continuation to the upside. However, if we're able to hold this support, we bounce, we break out, that's when we can see that beautiful push all the way up to about 36 cents. So just a couple patterns to keep a very, very close eye on. This 20 cent zone in between about 22 cents to 20 cents needs to hold, in my opinion. The bulls need to step up. You can see support in this area, previous level of resistance, and all the way back here. If I open this up, you can see previous level of support. So this is quite a strong zone, and I do believe it needs to hold if the bulls are going to fight for a nice push back to the upside. Because if that support is lost, your next strong level of support that you're looking at is about 17 cents, which is our third buy zone here. And then you don't have much support until all the way down at that 11 cent zone, which would be the technical target, the technical breakdown target from this symmetrical triangle if it does break down. And we do have to keep a close eye on this descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. So that's basically it for Gala. If we do see a bounce here, we break out, we get back above the EMAs, could see a beautiful push up to about 36 cents. And then if we lose that 20 cent zone and we start hitting it as resistance and we break down, that's when you're going to start to come back down to this swing low at 17 cents, and you would be in a technical target all the way down to about 12 cents. So crucial times for Gala. We do have that bullish divergence on the 4 hour. So hopefully we see a nice little bounce that takes us back up to about 25 cents. But if 20 cents is lost, I would target 17 cents as your next strong level of support. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members. We have buy and take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci. The DCA charts for the live trades on the channel. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, and over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, price of a coffee. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.